Good morning, students. Today I explain what are all the courses available for 11th standard and 12th standard, then after 12th standard, and what are all the opportunities for getting into the science stream and the arts and other stream, and general idea about various branches in the field of education after the 10th as well as in 12th standard. So today I explain opportunities towards the selection of appropriate subjects and groups and give a small idea about choosing the 11th standard groups like first group and science group and the commerce stream. Okay? Yes. Generally, after 11th standard, after 10th standard, you are passing. After passed out from the 10th standard, many more questions in your mind. What I am really go to do? Can I really get there? What are the risks in various branches in subjects? Various groups in the 11th standard. Am I sure the correct route, following in the correct route, moving in the correct route? Where and when? Are my subjects are appropriate? If I don't make it, then do I have any other options? Suppose majority of the students liking first group max with the biology. What about the other courses like commerce stream, art stream? In various branches, various groups are available in 11th standard, and various opportunities also available for the those children who studying in commerce stream as well as in other stream. So I explain one by one. First, plan your career. There are a lot of options and opportunities available. All options are equally good and compete with each other. Like first group as well as commerce in all the groups. One should choose a career based academics, personality, and desire. You will get more options for selecting the groups. First, know yourself. For choosing your career, choosing your group, first know yourself. What is your interest, values, skills, and assets and resources and the personality. And second, you choose explore possibilities, reach try to things out, narrow choices, and find out a few that it. And the third, in your mind, third point in your mind, first set your goals, develop a plan, and address the barriers. And fourth, make it happen, put plan into the action, learn along the way, achieve your goal. So first four things are needed for choosing your career. Know yourself first and explore possibilities and make choices and make it happen. Ambition versus reality. So normally a variety of students have a high ambition, but in reality it's the students participating in other activities is not up to the level. So what is meant by ambition and what is meant by reality? What is the difference between ambition and the reality? Before making a career choice, selecting a group, take time to understand yourself. First, understand yourself, your likes and preference. Ambition cannot be injected, nor can it be imitated. Suppose some parents wants to a particular children become a doctor, become an engineer, become an IAS officer. But first your choice. First before making a career, first understand yourself. Ambition from yours is not injected. And the parents' attitude to determine the factor in shaping one's career goal. Normally, parents have some attitude, students have some attitude. Suppose parents' attitude are injected into the students, means the ambition become is not a very good one. Okay, first parent attitude and the student attitude first, and ambition first, and then the parents. Basic errors while choosing your career. Normally students for choosing a career, for choosing a 11th standard in group selection, some basic errors are may chance occur may chance. Those to choose a profession stream that parents are focusing into parental pressure. One is parental pressure. Normally parents only guiding the students to take this group or that group. This is important for your need preparation, or this is important for your career. For parental pressure, one thing. Then second one, to choose the same stream as your friend. That is second pressure is peer pressure. Sir, some friends, sir, my friends are choosing this career, this group, so only I also choosing that group. So to don't do this, to choose the same stream as your friend. Maybe your ambition is in the same group, you choose. Otherwise, don't choose your, due to peer pressure, don't choose your group. And to follow the crowd and the trend, mob mentality, general mentality. So maximum people are choosing the first group with the max, so I am also choosing the first group and max. Don't tell this. For your ambition, your career, according to your career, according to your ambition, you choose your group. And inclination towards the medical and engineering profession, and possibilities of getting job abroad, career that will earn you a government job, follow the crowd and trend. So generally these are all the errors. First you choose a profession by parental pressure and peer pressure and simple mentality, and the medical and engineering general profession, abroad job and government job, following the crowd. The majority of the people choosing on group, so sir, I am only choosing that group. So don't tell these type of reasons. First listen and get your ambition. First understand yourself, then choose your group. Career is based on education based career and talent based career. Career, you know, education is after your 11th standard, after your 12th standard, education based career one. Your talent based, talent based means your extracurricular activities based, extra activities, extra your preference based activities are present. Okay, then I explain one by one. Candidates who qualify the degree course may pursue the career in architecture, both paid employees as well as self-employed professional. were eligible for self-employment. The another branch is human science, home science and related courses. Clinical nutrition, dietetics, home science, food science and nutrition, family resource management, and clothing, textile, extension, education, human development. Various courses are available in the home science students. The home science is nothing but like physics, chemistry, and biology. The students studying in physics, chemistry, and biology in 11th and 12th standard are eligible to apply home science related courses. Then, education, in the field of education, after you studying in 11th and 12th standard, sir, I want to become a professor, sir, I want to become a teacher, sir, I want to become a lecturer. So our next choice for yours is education. A diploma course are available for nursery and primary teachers, 2 years duration, that is DTET, conducted by the primary education and various states department. And certificate also diploma courses like a library science are available, BLIS and the MLIS. After you finishing your library course, you are eligible for maintaining your library as well as government and schools and colleges library. These courses are conducted by the various universities and institutes. These are all based on education and career. Then hospitality, air hostess, guest relationship executive, hotel management, travel and tourism professional. The various branches are in the hospitality. Hospitality is actually is nothing but after your 11th and 12th standard, you are eligible for hospital. So after all these, there are the branches, the main branches like physics, chemistry, and biology, all the things. Suppose you are strong in co-curricular activities, video jockey in sports and other activities. So not good in normal subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology, and maths, and commerce, and accountancy, and other things. Your talent-based career also is vast. So what are all the career in a talent-based? Pet grooming, hairstyling, acting, video jockey, sports based career, makeup artist, cosmetologist, choreographer like the dance making and other things, movement, singer, music, disc jockey, various branches are available. These are all, it's not like normal subjects like based course, these are your talent based courses. Then other examination is National Defense Academy Examination, NDA, National Defense Academy Examination. These are all conducted in twice in a year, May and November. The candidates are tested for maths and general ability. All unmarried male candidate are passing in 11th and 12th standard with science stream are eligible. For after you are passing your examination, you are eligible to studied in National Defense Academy courses like in BE. Then after studying military, now naval officers and National Academy officers are these are all career based course in male as well as in female people. Not only art stream, only for science, physics, chemistry, and maths students, and general ability also. Then management courses also present, brand manager, business development manager, business management, event manager, and export manager, human resource development, manager, consultant, market research executive, operation, logistic, retail manager. Various managers and management related courses are available after you are studying in 11th and 12th standard. Then media and communications management, cinematographer, client service executive, copywriter, film editing, journalist, media planner, public relation executive, publishing executive, visualizer. These are all the media and communications related courses after your 11th and 12th standard. If any branch, if max or arts, science or commerce stream or any stream, after you are finishing your 11th and 12th standard, you are eligible for media and communication departments. First, the four P's are important for your selecting your career, selecting your group, selecting your branch in down standard. You will survive only if you believe in the power of your stream. To believe in the power of your streams, remember four P's: purpose, passion, possibilities, and power. So, what purpose you are choosing? The group. What purpose, what passion you are choosing? Group. What possibilities you are choosing? Group. What power you have for choosing your group? Have a purpose of life, and a dream will follow. Trim this dream with passion in your heart, and possibilities will open for you. Choose today to start believing in the magical power of wishing, happy, and dreaming. So these are all the characters. These are all the dreams. These are all the points for selecting your 11th standard and 12th standard group. You are so for these type of points you get into your mind, and before you are selecting your 11th standard group. Okay, thank you. Engineering and technology. After studying engineer BE or ME engineering, you are get into the industrial engineer, marine engineer, mechanical engineer, mining engineer, metallurgist, naval architect, production engineer, telecommunication engineer. The various job opportunities are available. Then suppose after 10th standard you are moving to not 11th and 12th stream, you are moving to polytechnic and other stream. Means 3 years diploma courses are available for various polytechnics controlled by the state directorate as well as technical education training. The qualification required in the case of range of 10th standard to 10th, 11th and 12th. Maybe after 10th also you move to the polytechnic. Even after 12th also you move to the polytechnic. Physics, chemistry and mathematics admission in general granted strictly as per the marks academic examination. There are certain non-engineering trades like ceramics, printing technology, production, chemical technology are lesser duration as compared to the 3 year. Normally engineering, BE engineering 4 years. This diploma in engineering like field in 3 years. The less than 3 year also some courses are available like ceramics, printing technology, also equally important for your career. Then the person choosing with the physics, chemistry and biology with the max, or maybe without max, choosing computer science also. So what are all the courses are available for the person, the people, the student studying in 11th and 12th standard with physics, chemistry, and biology. PCB. General science courses like zoology, BSc zoology, BSc botany, microbiology, biochemistry, general science courses. One can take applied component like biotechnology, horticulture, marine science, environmental science, food production, preservation, post harvest technology, fishery biology, also a course. And bioinformatics also present, even IIT also biology related courses are available. Other courses like industrial biochemistry, applied nutrition, health information administration, genetics, the main branch, also available for the students after finishing your 11th and 12th standard with the physics, chemistry, and biology. Then the main important, the NEET and medical courses. What are the medicine related courses and the paramedical related courses? First one is main, is normally we know MBBS and Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery and BHMS Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani medicines are same. All the MBBS and BHMS and BAMS and BUMS, all the duration of the course is 5.5 years, 4 year, 4.5 years, and 1 year intensive training. And veterinary science, BVSC, Bachelor of Veterinary Science, BVSC, Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Physiotherapy. These are all the paramedical courses. Nuclear medicine technology, respiratory therapy technology, and prosthesis and orthotics like drugs analysis and treatment, and audiology and speech therapy, occupational therapy, optometry like eye specialist, optometry also is available. For MBBS and BHS, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, all these PDS and all the five in the top five courses only through the entrance, that is NEET examination conducted by the NTA, National Testing Agency, throughout the India. Normally in the month of May, the examination may be conducted. After the marks are 720 marks, total marks. In 720, biology 360 marks, that is botany and zoology, physics and chemistry 360 marks. Okay, totally 720 marks. According to your performance, according to your mark, the counseling may be applied. Then after counseling, you get a medical seat in government medical college as well as private medical college. In veterinary science, BVSC veterinary science also, through the NEET only 15 percentage seat are filled with the NEET only. Remaining 85 percentage seat are filled with the normal mark in your 12th standard board examination, physics, chemistry, and biology marks examination. And remaining courses like paramedical courses, respiratory therapy, prosthesis, audiology, speech therapy, optometry is through normal your 12th standard mark, not through the entrance. After finishing your MBBS, MD are available, MS, DA, various courses are available. Then after you finishing your medical related courses, you are eligible to doctor, cardiologist, dentist, endocrinologist, nurse, nutritionist, dietitian, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, plastic surgeon, speech therapist. Various courses are available, various opportunities. Otherwise, these are all the normally called as a white collar job. Then after you're finishing BSc nursing, and pharmacy B Farm, M Farm, pharmaceutical B Farm, M Farm. You are eligible to nursing, pharmacy, optician, vaccinator, dark room assistant, radiographer, laboratory technicians, sanitary inspectors. Various courses are available. Then the mainly the commerce and the arts and the science stream. Then afterwards, other industries also, hotel industries. These courses are not only for the first max students, not only for the commerce students, not only for the art students. All the students are eligible to apply these type of courses. Even recent years, the NTA National Testing Agency also conducting the entrance for hotel management, common entrance, all India common entrance for hotel management. Okay, industries, what are the hotel industries are available? Hotel management, catering and nutrition. There are several private institutes of hotel management are available present. Most of these institutes offer diploma in hotel management and specialization of front office, food and beverages, housekeeping, catering, etc. And diploma courses is generally have 3 years duration, and the minimum qualification is plus 10th and plus 2 and 50 percentage marks in physics, chemistry and maths, as well as in the art students. In biological science, suppose you are very good in biology, so are interested in studying biology, like in botany and zoology. In CBSE, actually only biology, not differentiated into botany and zoology. And you are interested in biological science means what are all the career courses or career opportunities in the biological studies? Agriculturist, BSc Agri, biochemist, bioinformatics, biotechnologist, dairy technologist and poultry supervisor, environmentalist, fishery science and forestry and wildlife horticulturist, marine biologist, microbiologist. Various courses are available. The field of in biology. Architecture, B Arc, B Plan. Some courses are available. Even IIT, JEE, join engineering entrance also. First paper related to BE and B Tech. The second paper related to B Arc. Was studying architecture, interior designing, structural designing. One needs to have a chosen a science stream, max chemistry, max physics chemistry. After your 12th standard, you are eligible for JEE paper 2 examination. Then after finishing your IIT examination, JEE examination, you are eligible for architecture, studying in BArch. After counseling, you are entered into the architecture colleges. One needs to have and choose on a science stream for selecting the architecture. One can also pursue the MArch as well as completing the BArch. Then scope availability and career availability in commerce stream. Choosing a commerce stream in your 11th standard and then the 12th standard, you studied business studies, economics and commerce and accountancy also. Then after finishing your 12th standard in commerce stream, you move into the BCom or BBA or BBM management, business management. So what are all the courses available for the commerce stream people? Career opportunities for the commerce stream people. One can specialize in financial accounting and auditing. Suppose you are best in accountancy means you have financial analyzing, auditing, accounting career opportunities are more. auditing, cost accounting, banking and finance, taxation, actuarial science, company secretarial practice, and business management and management trade, practice and procedure, CA, and very famous CA and ICWA and CS. These are all various opportunities available in the BCom and commerce stream peoples. Suppose you are finished in CA or other examination or BCom and NCom and BBA and MBA. So after your studies, what are all the career opportunities are available? So accountant, banker, actuary, business manager, export professional, etc., and wide scope after the higher studies of MCom, MBA, CA, CFA, ICWA, CS. Various opportunities are available in the commerce stream also. So, what are all the graduate courses are available in the commerce stream? For yours, finished your 12th standard and 11th standard in commerce stream. Then after 12th standard, what are all the courses? What are all the branches courses are available in the graduate level as well as in postgraduate level? Advertising, company secretaryship, computer programming, economic systems, export marketing, and market research, direct and indirect taxation, entrepreneurship, foreign trade and financing procedure, investment analysis and organization, portfolio management, computer systems and applications. So, various courses are available in the commerce stream. And finance and accounts, in particularly commerce means mainly it deals with the finance and accounts. Actuary, banker, chartered financial analyzer, economist, equity research analyst, forex dealers, share market brokers, investment bankers, stock brokers, venture capitalist. Various opportunities are available in finance and accounts choosing people. So the second one is the first we explain after commerce BA, and the second one is after commerce stream. Then is move on to the science stream. Normally, generally, the people thinking it's a science is first, and science stream after getting a science stream only your career will be good. So no, not at all. Even commerce people, arts people also getting more salaried job as compared to the science people. Okay, then I explain one by one what are all the science courses after 11th and 12th standard, and what are all the career opportunities in the 12th standard after 12th standard. Normally in 11th standard in CBSE stream, English, the first group people taking English, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, or physics, chemistry, maths, and computer science, or physics, chemistry, biology, computer science. Only three variations are available. The English is common paper for all the person. Physics, chemistry, maths, and biology, one group. Physics, chemistry, maths, computer science, another group. Physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, another group. So three variety of streams are available in the science: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. General, what are the options in the science stream? General BSc courses like physics, chemistry. After 12th standard you move on to the physics, BSc physics, BSc chemistry, mathematics, geology, statistics, biochemistry, computer science, even BSc Computer Science, BSc Information Technology, BSc Electronics, BSc Industrial Chemistry, Polymer Chemistry, Drugs and Dyes, Operational Research, Environmental Science, Heavy, Fine and Chemicals, Computer Programming. So, various branches are present in the science stream, in particularly the person choosing physics, chemistry, and maths. Then the person with maths and computer science, maybe maths and biology also, the various courses are available. It's electric engineering field, a diploma in engineering as well as degree in engineering, bachelor of engineering, BE, diploma in engineering field, electrical, electronic, mechanical, civil, computer science, aeronautical, aerospace, automobile engineering, biomedical engineering, biomedical, biotechnology, BE biotechnology, BE biomedical, biochemical, engineering, industrial biotechnology, chemical technology, dairy, food and irrigation, leather technology is present. Leather technology also a course. BE manufacturing science and energy engineering, marine engineering, telecommunication, metallurgy, mining, ocean engineering, and naval architecture, petrochemical engineering, petroleum, pharmaceutical engineering, printing engineering. Various branches are available. But after you have studied in CBSE stream, you are eligible, or maybe you are eligible for writing IIT JEE examination, Joint Engineering Entrance Examination. After getting into the level 1, I have passed in level 1, that is main examination. Then the level 2 advanced examination. You are passed in advanced examination means according to your criteria, according to your mark, you are getting a seat in IIT, like IIT Madras, IIT Mumbai, IIT Kharagpur, various IIT are present. According to your main examination mark, you are getting a seat into the NIT, National Institute of Technology, nearby Tirchi, NIT Tirchi, you are getting seat. And the other type of examination is KVPY, then that is Kishore Vigyanik Purastar Yojana. You are, while studying your 11th standard and studying your 12th standard, you eligible for writing KVPY. After writing this examination, a personal interview are present. After passed your examination, you are eligible get admission in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, with a scholarship, with a stipend, monthly approximately or 8,000 stipend. The best colleges in the world, top 100 in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, one of the 100. Okay, then engineering, mainly your IIT and NIT through JEE examination. Suppose you are applying for Anna University means according to your 12th standard mark, physics, chemistry, and maths mark are considered for your admission in Anna University. Anna University. Okay. Then career is divided into education based career and talent based career. The main big question, first group science or maths group or maybe arts group. Only three major groups are available in generally in 11th standard in all the streams. The science group. Science group is the English, physics, chemistry, and maths and biology, and English, physics, chemistry, maths, and computer science. English, physics, chemistry, biology, and computer science. And commerce group in the commerce, accountancy, then English and business studies and thing. The arts groups and history, economics also present. But normally in our surroundings area, normally schools contain two streams. One is science streams and another one is commerce streams. Then I deal one by one. What factors go into the choosing a career? What are the factors for choosing the career? First, your skill. Based on your skill only you choose your career. The career will be best. Communicating, problem solving, teamwork, computing, organizing. Based on your skill only you choosing your career means this is very good. And your interest, creative interest, social interest, and outdoor and indoor activity, scientific interest. Based on this your interest also you choose your career. This is good. And values and motivation, based on your security and based on your money, helping others, working life balance. These are also important factors for choosing your career. Then your personality, determined personality, cautious personality, outgoing, calm. According to your personality only you choose your career. And your location, suppose you are present in India, you choose your one practical based course in Australia. Means how the courses or how the education is correctly followed. So according to your location also you choose your course, your qualifications, your contacts. These are all the factors for choosing your career and choosing your course. Suppose your course after 12th standard, various entrance examination are available. For example, if you example first group maths and biology, or NEET examination, IIT JEE examination, and KVPY Kishore Vinyanik Purastar Yojana examination, and various examination, even arts group also various examination like CA, then other examination are available. So according to your ambition, according to your career based yourself, your knowledge, and choose your course. And according to the entrance, suppose these are all the entrance, various entrance are present after the 12th standard. Okay, so I explain one by one. Then what are all the scope in art stream selecting students? Normally in all the career counseling or other program, normally first thing the person give importance to the first science stream for medical and engineering. But in this video I explain first what is the scope of art stream, what are the streams or what are the branches available in arts, and what is the scope of art stream. I explain one by one. Suppose you are choosing a second third group commerce stream in 11th standard as well as in 12th standard. After 12th standard you get into the BA degree. What are the branches or what are the BA available in our environment? BA history is available, BA economics, BA political science, BA psychology, BA sociology, anthropology, study about human races, and literature, BA literature, Tamil literature as well as English literature, and actuarial science and geography, education, econometrics, philosophy, linguistics, rural development, economics and public finance, and trade. Various BA branches are available in our society. So these are all the courses are useful for your UPSC examination, Union Public Service Commission examination, and the IAS, IFS, IRS, all the UPSC examination. These are all the courses are important. Suppose your ambition is become into a UPSC officer, Union Public Service Officer, means your best choice. You choose first the art stream. Okay, then after BA, suppose you are finishing BA history, a BA at public administration, BA economics, BA geographer, BA geography, a BSc geography. After finishing your BA, what are all the career of present? So I explain one by one. Based on the subjects taken, you can pursue a career with actuary, anthropologist, like a human study person, archaeologist, economist, educationist, geographer, historian, linguistics, philosopher, political scientist, population scientist, psychologist, rural development and professional, sociologist. Various job opportunities are available for these courses. A good career in public administration, like our UPSC, already I told, no, the public administration, immense scope after higher studies in the respective subject. Even MA also available, MPhil, PhD also available. So BA also a good course for your career. Then graduate courses in various vocational subjects like arts, social work, BA sociology, mass communication, journalism, and investment analysis, population studies, travel and tourism, health psychology, planning and developmental studies, secretarial practice, food and nutrition and dietetics, nutrition and dietetics. Okay, so various courses in the art stream also. These are all the courses and this opportunities or career after you are selecting the BA. Then the first one is BA. After choosing a BA, then what are all the career availability? That second one is commerce. What are all the availability in commerce? Okay.